How to slip audio in edits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make the slip. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle you can see this project icon. Simply tap on this project icon. So here I'm in this project section. Here you can create a new project or open any older ones. Here I'm tapping on my older ones. Now I'm in this editing platform. Here you can see the audio and video that are available. So simply select on the audio here. Now on the bottom you can see different tools. Simply swipe right. Here you'll be able to see the option called slip. Simply tap on slip. So here if you tap on slip, here you'll be able to move this cursor here and there. So this is the modification of audio in this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.